Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to resolve Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 memory error or an error on the code 1270719. Now this is an error code that happens a lot of the times because your game is either not updated or it's an internal glitch in the game. So let's see how we can fix this. So basically, as you can see, first, what we want to do is we want to check for COD or Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 updates. So make sure to check for this. You can basically go and launch the Battle.net launcher on your PC, on your Xbox, on your PlayStation. It will be different. But what you want to do is you want to go to the options for MW3 and choose Scan and Repair. This is on your computer. You can allow to scan, to complete. If there is an available update, it will be downloaded and installed automatically. Now, after the update is complete, you can restart Modern Warfare 3 and check if this error persists. Obviously, for Xbox, for PlayStation, it will be a bit different. You already know how you can update the game on the PlayStation pretty much. But if you want, here it is. Basically, this is how you can update it. You can also switch to another account. So if you're using another account, you can try that as well. Just try and log in into another account. I know, you will probably have to purchase a game to go into another account. So that's probably not the best choice for this. Obviously, power cycling is also great. You can completely power off your console or power off your PlayStation 4 or Xbox, and you can reconnect the console to the power source and see if this error persists. Now, sometimes this can be the case that your cache, you have a lot of cache and you want to refresh the system memory by clearing out the cache. So what you can do is you can navigate to settings on your PlayStation home screen and click on storage, opt for a system storage, and then access save data. Here you can locate Modern Warfare 3 and press the options button and choose delete to eliminate all the cache data. Alternatively, you can do the same by going on Xbox, by pressing the Xbox button and choosing My Games and Apps, highlighting Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3, press the menu button, opt for a Manage Game, and within the Save Data section, select Reserved Space, and then make sure to clear the reserved space. On your PC, it's pretty much the same, but you choose Scan and Repair to initiate a scan for potential issues, and that's pretty much it. Obviously, uninstalling and reinstalling the game is your last resort, I know, but this is also a great way to go and just mitigate all the issues from the game. So those are a couple of things on how you can resolve a Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 memory error 1270719. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we will see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.